Okay, this time I'm going to talk about insurance. What is insurance? The contribution of a vehicle is the amount of premium as costs minus the insurance amount paid of the claims in the insurance on the premium profit on the policy. Underwriting performance is measured with something called the combined ratio, which is the ratio of aspect of loss to premium. A combined ratio of less than 100% indicates an underwriting profit. Well, anything covered 100 indicates underwriting loss. A combination ratio of 100% minor products remain portable to investment earnings. Insurance company earn to investment profit on float for a caliber refers in the amount of money and at any given moment that an insurer has collected in insurance premium but has not paid on the claims. Insurance start investing insurance premium as soon as there are collected and the insurance to earn the income to run the claims are paid. The associated company is insurance altogether for under insurance company and do not believe that is the possible distinction a profit from fraud. However, without underwriting profit as will hold this opinion to very low. The reaction on fraud or profit has yielded some interesting aspects. Local insurance company investments company that raise the money for the investment is selling insurance. Naturally, the fraud method is difficult to carry out on economically first period, where markets to cause insurance to seek away from investment on the term of their underwriting standard. So, for economy to remain insurance premium, this tendency to swing between portable and unportable periods over time is commonly known as the underwriting or insurance cycle. One outstanding in the materiality of insurance is the property paid for. Claims may be filed by insurance directly by the insurer of the brokers of agent. The insurance may require that claim the value of the own property from its owner. And may also claims or standard industry from ancestors property act. Insurance company tax department employ a number of claim adjusters support the staff for the cost management and data entry first. Income claims are subsequent or property act assumed. To adjustable statement, authority varies with the knowledge and experience the adjuster understands adjudication of each claim. Usually in close cooperation with the insurance determine if cover is available under the terms of the insurance contract and if so there are some number monthly value of the claim and the owner's payment. The policyholder may retain on booking adjuster to negotiate the statement with the insurance company on their behalf for policy that the company got where you claims may be complex. Insurance may tell all the for the insurance policy and on cut loss recovery insurance which cover the cost of the public adjuster in the case of a claim. Adjusting liability insurance claim is particularly difficult because there are different involved. The liability who is under an actual obligation to cooperate with the insurer and might involve regard the insurer as the pocket. The adjuster must obtain legal counsel from the insurer, neither insurance counsel or outside final counsel. Monitor litigation that might take years to complete and about the person or often be telephone with the statement authority element of the statement coverage be request by the judge. If a claim adjuster suspect under insurance the condition of average my income into play to limit the insurance company export. Imagining the claims holding function and insurance to balance the elements of customer satisfaction administrative holding aspect as claim overpayment levers. As part of this balancing out, from that insurance particular major business rights that must be managed and overcome. Disputes between insurer and insurers over the quality of claims or claims holding practice associational is caused into litigation, say insurance by fine. Insurer will often use insurance agent to insure market or underwriter this customer. Again, can be captive meaning the right only for one company or independent meaning that they can issue policies from several companies. The extension and success of company using insurance against is likely due to the availability of improved and professional service. Company also use broking firms, bank and the operation entities, allies of the subgroup universe, microfinance institution to their markets to market their product. Okay guys, this is this discussion about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and